When cooking with dairy products, it's important to monitor cooking temperatures and follow storage and service guidelines. Some important guidelines to remember when you are working with cheese are: label the container with the date it was stored. Store cheese wrapped airtight in the refrigerator. Although not recommended, cheese can be frozen if used within 10 days. Cook cheese at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Cheese can melt between 300 and 335 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should not be cooked in a hot oven or for a long time. Do not overcook cheese, or it will become stringy and tough. And when possible, cover cheese with a thin layer of breadcrumbs to help keep it from overcooking. The new macaroni and cheese recipe will cover many of these points. Remember to have everything you need for the cooking stages and also proper containers for service. The first step in preparing the cheese sauce is to make a roux, which is the thickening component of the sauce. To make a roux, melt the fat ingredient in the pan or kettle, then slowly add the flour while constantly stirring. Cook over low heat and continue to stir until the flour is fully incorporated. Slowly add the milk to the flour mixture and continue to stir. Heat the sauce until it is smooth and begins to thicken. Add the Parmesan and cheddar cheese along with the other ingredients to the white sauce and continue to cook over low heat until the cheese melts. You are looking for a smooth consistency. Next, add the pre-cooked pasta to the cheese sauce. Be sure to completely incorporate the pasta with the sauce. Place the macaroni and cheese in a steam table pan and bake in a conventional oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Combine breadcrumbs and cheddar cheese in a small bowl. Sprinkle over each pan. Bake for an additional 5 minutes uncovered until lightly browned. With dairy products, it's especially important to follow critical control point guidelines. Serve immediately.